Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I took a bit of a break on the videos recently because I was hosting the Paint Party in Paradise Fluid Art Retreat this past week. I had 8 fantastic people come down and spend the week with me. We went all over the area during the day on tours. We went to the Barucan Indigenous Village to see the art that they make there. We went horseback riding on the beach, went to national parks, spent afternoons on the beach. It was a wonderful trip, especially during the day, and then at nighttime we painted and we made some fantastic art. So I'm working on a little compilation video, so if you'd like to check that out, make sure that you're not only subscribed to my channel, but that you've hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I do that, because I won't do that as a premiere, I'll just post it on the channel. And now that I've had about a week's worth of sleep afterwards, I can't wait to do it again. So I'll be launching the dates for March of next year, 2024. I'll probably release that information sometime in July or August. Give people plenty of time to check on their passports and save up their pennies so that they can come paint with us next year in Costa Rica. But today I am excited to do another blow, flick, and spin. I had an idea to use a base coat of Amsterdam's greenish blue. Now this is a very transparent color, so you can see that I've already primed the sides and the edges. Because blue is transparent, you don't want the canvas to show through, so priming it ahead of time with some undiluted paint keeps that from happening. That way afterwards I don't have to do any touch-up on the sides and edges also. So I've got a whole jug of that for my base coat, and I will be using a little bit in the pour as well. And then I have some Amsterdam titanium white, and to this I've added some Deco Art satin enamels in white also, hoping for a bit of a cloudy look and maybe some bolder cells also, because combined with Deco Art 24 karat gold, you sometimes end up with some beautiful bolder cells. And then the kind of concept here is using this really dark blue as a base, and then I'm using Amsterdam Pearl Blue, which at the moment just looks white, but when it dries on top of a darker color, it has a blue iridescent sheen to it. So Amsterdam Pearl Blue, and then this is Amsterdam Pearl Green. So I'm going to do the blow using these 3 colors and blow out some splatters all around the canvas, and then I'll use these 3 colors for the flick and spin. So that's the idea, and I will be putting down a base coat, and then I'll use a string to find the center so that I can keep the composition centered on the canvas. And I think that's all of the explanation. I'm gonna put on some tunes for you, and let's start painting.
say you should try to find yourself a bit stuck in the valley. They say never try to hide yourself, but I spent all of my money on California. Did I arrive too late? Did I make you wait? California. Now tell me where you've been and everything you've seen. California. Did I arrive too late? Did I make you wait? California.
Okay, here we are for the wet results. Oh my God, y'all, I cannot wait to see this dry. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This worked out exactly like I thought. These pearl blue and green, you can already see a difference between them. So that you can see the green clearly here and the blue clearly here. They kind of provide this kind of northern lights kind of glow behind the actual flick and spin. Look at that. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Those satin enamels with the gold. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Unicorn horns all over the place. So the white will stay white, but most of this cloudy stuff that you see in the background are the pearl blue and green, and those are going to lose all of the white and be just blue and green as a highlight. Look at that spiral. Look how that spun out there. So cool. Oh my God, look at this. I'm super, super happy. I love it, and I can't wait to see what it's gonna be even better dry. Look at these cells in here. Wow. And that spiral coming out there. Oh my, look at those. Those cells right there, almost like lacing. That one big spiral coming up there. This is so freaking cool. I'm so happy I did this. And let's look at the sides too, because I love this technique, the way that the stuff comes over the side. Here you can see that I'm using a small spinner, so I had to put a previously used canvas underneath it, upside down, so that it would fit. This 24 by 24 inch canvas would fit. I got a dry spot right there, but look how that unicorn horn coming off, that spiral coming off the flick and spin, look how it's separated out. I'm gonna have to paint that little section there, but let's turn it around, see what the other sides look like. Oh, there's a bunch of it on that side too. I need to remember to wet my sides down next time so I don't have to, I hate doing touch-ups afterwards. But I'm super happy with how this turned out. And today is Saturday, I'm posting this for Sunday, so I'm not sure that I'm kind of dry results. I will post the dry results. If I don't have it for tomorrow, I will post the dry results on my Instagram page, which will be listed in the description box below, along with a full written tutorial on this technique. So, in case I don't have dry results, thank you very much for joining me today. And don't forget to do all those UB2B things. Give me the like and the subscribe, and come back and see me sometime. So it is Sunday morning, and I had to come see what this looks like, and it is spectacular. I cannot be happier with how this turned out. Those pearl blues and greens in the background, on top of that dark, dark blue, is just spectacular. It gives it such a glow behind that white and gold flick and spin. I'm super, super happy with this. So let me take you in for some details. We'll start with the flick and spin in the center and that balloon dip. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. And these big boulder cells coming out through here. I love the way this dried, that kind of lacing in here. That almost looks, that reminds me of like a fetus or something, but it's super cool. I love all of this kind of craziness here with that gold, but I even got some pearl cells amongst the blowout with the blue and green Amsterdam pearls. And look at the shimmer as it as the light reflects off of it. You see how that kind of shifts and change? Almost gives it a little bit of a purple tint to it. That is so cool. And of course I love my wild little unicorn horns as they blow out. This is so cool. Is this, what do you think? Is this an underwater scene? Are we looking at some creature in the ocean? Or are we looking at something galactic? Oh, wow. I'm so happy with this. I'm almost speechless. I hope you like it too. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time.